Hello and welcome to the 6th tutorial of Cambridge 1 Mastery. In this tutorial we're going to look at using the assign feature of the platform. So basically assigning your students homework from the content and the materials that we have with your course. So anyone can do this, as you can imagine, but it's useful as well because we know that learners, from the data we can see, we know that learners are much more likely to use all their digital learning materials if teachers assign homework to them. So let's find out how we can do it. Okay, so we're going to sign in or log in. This is Alberto Corazon again. And here we go. We've got class 2A, the one that we created in previous tutorials. Let's enter. And now we've got 4 students. A few more have been added since the last tutorial. Now, before we do an assignment or create an assignment, let's just have a reminder of the materials available to us. We've got practice materials, tests, collaboration materials, and I'm going to go into practice. And here you have practice extra. Okay, now practice extra is the extra practice which correlates to every unit of content in the book. Okay, so that's what we're going to be assigning. That's the main digital homework that they have. So if you look up here, we can go to assignments. There we go. And underneath you get create assignment. So I'll click on that. Here are all your components you potentially can assign, but we're going to stick to practice extra. So we click practice extra, and now in the left column here in the menu we can see the units. So I'm going to open up unit 2, and they've got different sections to unit 2: practice it, master it, games. I'm going to choose 3 exercises from practice it: 1, 2, 3, the first 3. I then come down here and I click assign. Okay, so assignment name is assignment 1. I can change that if I want to, but that seems good enough for me. It's the first assignment I'm creating. I then drop down here, and this is the due date. Okay, so this is the date by which the assignment has to be completed. So I'm going to give them until Friday the 2nd of February, and I'm going to set it. Now I just simply click assign. Bang. And I can make another assignment if I want, and I can create as many as I want, and I can also set assignments for the future as well. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to exit. Okay, I'm going to leave, and I'm now going to before I leave this page, you can see that the assignment is listed there. Okay, and we're going to come back to this in the next tutorial to see if students are actually doing the work. But anytime we jump between class data, materials, we come back to assignments and we can see the assignment listed there. Okay, but right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump to a student account that I created earlier. Okay, this is one of the students in the class, and we're going to open this up, and this is Ricardo. We'll refresh, and here we see, if we refresh the page, Ricardo is a member of class 2A, and if Ricardo goes in, he'll see a notification up here to his right. Yeah, assignment set, and I can access the assignment directly from here by clicking on this, or I can see here my homework 1 assignment. So Ricardo clicks on this, and straight up he sees this assignment. By clicking on the assignment, opens up, and you see the 3 exercises, and immediately Ricardo can actually start doing the exercises. Okay, so in the next tutorial we'll look at monitoring the exercises to see if they've been done and how many students have done them. Okay, so that's the assignment tool in this tutorial number 6. Thank you for listening. Bye.